In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table in Excel that will calculate your GPA. And not only can you calculate your end GPA, but you'll be able to use drop-down menus to change the grades and, be able to try to predict what you're going to get at the end of the semester. So here I have just some random courses that I put in, and I assign them these random credits. So now I need a column. I'm going to put a column for the grade, and then I'm going to use a function to determine what number grade associates with this letter grade, and then we'll work the rest of the problem from there. Change the formatting real quick before I get started. Oops. The letter. So, yeah. What I'm going to do is put a list box, or I guess what some would call a drop-down menu in here. So I'm going to highlight the cells where I want the menu to appear, and then go to data validation, choose list, and then I'm going to put A, B, C, D, F. And so now I'm just gonna assign some random grades. So we'll do an A, do a C, B, A, D, so in this next cell, I need a number to be able to calculate the grade point average. So I'm going to have a number, the grade number 1 through 4, populate here based on what grade was got, or what grade you're trying to predict. So to do that, I can do that easily with the ifs statement. And so I basically just have to say, if this cell equals, in quotes, A, then we're going to make cell H10 4. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that works, but I want to add the rest of these scenarios in. So what I can do is, since it's an ifs statement, I can have multiple scenarios. Comma, paste, comma, paste, comma, paste, comma, paste. Is that too many? We'll see. Okay, so if G10 equals B, we'll print 3. If it's C, we'll print 2. If it's D, we'll print 1. And if it's F, well then, 0. Okay, cool. So now, whenever you change this letter grade, the grade will change over here. Alright, so now we can use the fill handle to drag this down. See that it worked on every situation. So over here we're gonna do grade times credits This is pretty easy. Just equals the credits times the grade. Drag this down. Straighten this up a little bit. So now I have to total. I'm just going to put a whole total row in here. I'm going to total my credits with the sum function by selecting this whole range. And then I'm going to use the same function to total my grade times my credits. 39. So now to find my final GPA, all we have to do is divide 39, which is this total, and divide by my total credits. And I really don't need all of these digits. I believe for GPA it doesn't really go too far past the hundredths place. So I'm going to move these decimals back. There, 2.79. And so you will be able to go, if you predict you're going to have a lower grade, like a C, you can actually see how this is going to affect your grade, and maybe that'll help you determine, what classes you need to work harder in. So I hope that was helpful, and you can use this to determine your end of semester grades.